Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Let us introduce ourselves. Group 1 of Class 7C, which consists of Sebastian Hugo Renata, 7C number 27, as the group leader. Felicia Gresiva Sartania, 7C number 13, Avielo Indratama, 7C number 6, and Jolene Selina Ali, 7C number 20. In this video, we will discuss about climate change, starting from the definition, causes, effects, and how to overcome them.
Climate change is a change in the pattern and intensity of climate elements over a very long period of time. The form of change is related to change in weather habits or change in the distribution of weather events. The main cause of climate change is global warming. Accelerated global warming is the result of increasing concentration of greenhouse gases in the Earth's atmosphere, which change the role of the greenhouse effects. Human activities can also change the Earth's climate and are currently driving climate change through global warming. Climate change occurs due to the increasing concentration of carbon dioxide gas and other gases in the atmosphere, which cause the greenhouse gas effect, the destruction of forest function, and a lot of garbage being thrown away carelessly. The effects of climate change can be fatal for the environment and the surrounding biota. As for some of the bad effects that will result if there is a climate change: warming of the earth temperature, high rainfall causing flood, soil erosion and landslides, sea level rise, damage to land and water ecosystem. Save electricity use, save water use, do 5R, rethink, reduce, reuse, recycle and replace, utilize natural energy as much as possible, use environmentally friendly equipment, carry out green activities and reduce the use of aerosol gas.
God creating the heavens, the earth, and everything in them, starting from light and darkness. God creating the firmament, group planets, lighting objects on the horizon, namely the sun, moon, also stars, animals in the air, water, and land. In the end, God created humans. In this article, the Bible states that God created this earth, where we can live and breathe. The Lord Jesus taught us to care for the environment around us, including the forest.
Forests are land areas that are dominated by trees. Hundreds of definitions of forests are used worldwide, incorporating factors such as tree density, tree height, land use, legal standing, and ecological function. Unfortunately, Indonesia's forests are in critical condition. Indonesia, known as the lungs of the world, has damaged its own lungs.
The impact of forest damage that occurs with flooding and soil erosions, which can transport soil particles to the sea. In the end, it will undergo a process of sedimentation or deposition there. Extensive soil deposition, of course, can damage ecosystem in the ocean, such as coral reefs. The way to overcome this is by reforestation or reforestation. Do not cut down trees in the forest. Practice selective logging. Avoid shifting forest treatment. Do not establish an industry in the forest. If this is not a threat to climate change will occur.
The way to prevent climate change is to protect forests, dispose of waste in its place, save energy, and apply 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. In this video, we will give an example of how to apply one of the 3 R's, namely reuse, to prevent climate change.
Conclusion is that damage to force functions can have a negative impact on nature. The biggest impact is climate change, which causes warming of the Earth's temperature, high rainfall, rising sea levels, and many other negative impacts. We can prevent this from happening by doing reduce, reuse, and recycle, dispose of garbage in its place, and carry out reforestation or plant trees. We can apply these methods in our daily activities to prevent forest damage and climate change. We as humans can reduce the use of global warming. Here are 3 ways how. Reducing the use of private vehicles to reduce the increased emission gases in the ozone layer. Recycling used goods to reduce burning waste, and reduce the use of air conditioning, because the air conditioner has substances refrigerants called hydrofluorocarbons, which can worsen the ozone layer. Let's together save the Earth from the threat of global warming.
Thank you friends for watching our video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with friends. And subscribe to this channel. For those who have done the following, we thank you very much. Bye bye.